Are your muscles aching for a good soak in the bath? Then try out today's AFI DIY Sleepy Time Bath Soak. It's scented with our lavender fragrance and has Epsom salts in it to help soothe your sore muscles. So without further ado, let me show you how to make it. First, we need to combine our dry ingredients. They start with the Epsom salts, a tried and true ingredient for aches and pains. Follow that up with Himalayan pink salt and sodium bicarbonate. Finally, the lavender buds. Now for our liquid ingredients, that includes polysorbate 80, which will keep the mica powder from forming a color ring in the tub, and of course fragrance. I'll be using our lavender scent, which is perfectly soothing and relaxing for the soap. And of course, we can't forget some shimmery purple mica powder for a pop of color, and use a whisk to thoroughly incorporate them into the rest of the ingredients. All that's left now is to package it. I selected these pretty glass jars that will show off the contents of this product nicely. So simply fill each jar and your bath soap is done. See how easy that was? This product looks and feels super luxurious and can be made in a snap. Each 8-ounce jar costs about $3 to fill, meaning they can be sold wholesale for $5 to $8 and retail for $10 to $16, depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. And just like that, today's AFI DIY is finished. If you just can't get enough of these projects, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. As always, we thank you so much for tuning in today's video, and we can't wait to catch you guys in the next one real soon. So, bye for now.